Morning, student. Today I will talk about rain on the roof. It is a very popular topic. In this topic, there is an explanation of rain. This is the rain on the roof, in which the poet tries to describe how he feels on a rainy day. The poet says that whenever it rains, he starts to recall all his past memories. While lying on his bed in the cottage, he listens to the pitter patter sound of the rain. As he listens to the sound of the rain, he starts to remember his older days when he was a little boy. Further, he remembers her mother, who is not with him now, but her memories will always be with him. In addition, he remembers how her mother takes care of him during the rainy days so that he might not catch a cold. While listening to the sound of the rain, he remembers all the sweet memories of the past. In this poem, the poet says that when the humid shadows drift, here humid shadow means dark clouds full of water. He says that when the sky is full of dark clouds which have moisture and all are full of water and are about to bring rain. Further, when the clouds flat around the sky over the starry spheres refers to sky at the night time that is full of stars. Then huge clouds that are full of moisture move around in the sky, and the raindrops that seem like a tear falling from the sky wipe the sad darkness of the night. Moreover, the poet is comparing the raindrops to tears, as to him the dark sky seems very sad. Also, it appears as it is weeping, and the raindrops are the tears shed by it. He further adds that it is like a blessing to lie on the bed in his room and listen to the sound made by raindrops falling on the roof. In the next part of the poet expresses his feelings when he hears the raindrops falling on the roof of his house. The poet says that every tinkle of the shingles has an echo in the heart. Whenever he hears raindrops falling on the roof top, its sound repeats in his heart and in his dream. Further, he has many different and fantastic imaginations. Also, the falling drop of the rain on the roof tops creates many new different dreams in his mind. For instance, he recollects many memories of the past which come back into his mind as dreams. Hence, he listens to the patters of the rain upon the roof. He has many new dreams in his mind, and his memories of the past come back in the form of the dreams. In the last paragraph, the poet introduces his mother and says that he is dreaming of his mother. As in the previous stanza, that rain brings memories of the past. They were the memory of his mother, who is not no longer alive. Long ago, his mother uses to lot him a lot, and she uses to consider him a darling. Also, she would let him sleep until daybreak and have sweet dreams. As he listens to the song made by the raindrops falling on the roof of his room, he feels that his mother is looking at him. Moreover, the sound of rain makes him correlate his past with his present. That's the reason he was so moved by the sound of the raindrops on the shingles of his room. Every time he hears this sound, It brings back memories of the past as he reminds of his mother. Students are advised to write central idea and NCERT based questions along with the extract to do in notebook. Thank you.